Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Windscribe VPN on Windows. Guys, I'm walking you through the full process to get this VPN running for secure browsing, unblocking streaming sites, or staying safe on public Wi-Fi. I'll also highlight why NordVPN's a stellar alternative. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's dive in. First, you need a Windscribe account. Open your browser. I'm on Firefox, but Edge or Chrome is fine. And go to windscribe.com/signup. Enter a valid email and a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Sign Up, then check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the verification link to activate your account, boosting your free plan from 2 GB to 10 GB monthly data. Great for streaming or browsing. If the email's missing, check your spam folder. Now for the app itself. Normally, you'd go to windscribe.com/download and grab the Windows version, but I've already downloaded and installed it. So let's move on. Open the Windscribe app from your desktop or Start menu. Look for the blue W icon. On the login screen, click Login, enter your username and password, and hit the green arrow. If login fails, recheck your credentials or reset your password on windscribe.com. Once you're in, you'll see the main screen with a big on-off button. Click it to connect to the fastest server, usually in your region, like the US or UK. When the app turns blue and shows a new IP, your connection's encrypted, hiding your activity from ISPs or hackers. To unblock content, click the location bar to view servers. Free users get 10+ locations. Try Canada for Netflix or the UK for BBC iPlayer. For better security, click the 3-line menu, go to Preferences, then Connection. Enable the firewall to block non-VPN traffic if the connection drops. Perfect for public Wi-Fi. In general, turn on Auto Connect and launch on Startup for automatic protection. Check out the ROBERT tab to block ads or trackers, making browsing smoother. Unique tip: in ROBERT, set a custom rule to block distracting sites like social media for focused work sessions. If Windscribe won't connect, switch servers or check status.windscribe.com for outages. Close heavy apps like torrent clients for better speed. If it crashes, restart your PC or ensure Windows Firewall allows Windscribe. Windscribe's great with 10 GB data and AES 256 encryption, but the cap limits heavy streaming. That's where NordVPN shines. With 8,000+ servers in 126 countries, NordVPN's NordLynx protocol ensures ultra-fast 4K streaming in gaming. Its audited no-logs policy, Panama base, and threat protection against malware keep you secure across 10 devices with unlimited data. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.